Alright, so I thought we could tackle a little bit of a simple install video here. I'm waiting for my Celica to get charged up. I've had it sitting all winter, so battery's all dead. I should have put a battery tender on it, but I know a lot of people want to replace their dome lights with the new LEDs. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that real quick. It's probably one of the simplest mods you can do for your Celica. So I bought these LEDs from superbrightled.com. I'll link which ones I bought below. I can't remember off the top of my head what number and everything they are. But I'll show you how to take all that off on the reverse. But basically all you do is you're gonna put that up in there, and then the regular light sits like that. I don't know if you can really see it, but yeah, see that bump kind of sits in that groove. But for some reason the LED, it worked like that when I first did the install, but after a couple days, for some reason, I had to make the bump out here so that it can make full contact. So it doesn't work otherwise for some reason. And I would love to test you guys and show you that it works right now, but it probably doesn't because the card's dead. But then it's pretty simple to do the whole restall. You're gonna take this and you just wanna pop it back in there. It's a real tough one every time. When you pull this off, you're probably gonna feel like you're gonna break it. I still do every time and I still worry, but just to get you guys a good idea, you really have to pry at it, but don't be scared. You aren't gonna break it. And then there's one screw right there. You can see it. And that's it. Should work now if the car isn't dead. I'll show you guys a picture of it later. I did red. I think it looks really cool. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty simple. Alright, so as promised, I wanted to show you guys what the red dome light LED looks like when you have it installed. I don't know if the camera really captures how bright it is, but it is pretty decently bright. Definitely brighter than the stock one that I had. And I didn't talk about it in the previous part of the video, but the reason why I chose red is because red won't affect your night vision. So if you're driving at night and you're on a road trip or something and someone drops something, your passenger drops something, they have no problem. You can flick on the dome light, look for it, someone can read a book even, and it's not going to bother your night vision at all. So it doesn't have that same thing where it's really, you know, the white lights are so bright and then you can't really see out of the car. Red is perfect, and I just like it. I think it looks really good in here. So I'll go ahead and get a shot of it on the outside too, so you guys can get a good idea of what that looks like as well. So you can't really see it honestly because I'm in a parking lot with bright white lights, but I hope that gives you a decent idea. It does seem pretty light in there when I park at night and the doors, when I open the doors and everything illuminates, I feel pretty lit up, pretty red. So it's definitely bright enough. I wouldn't want it any brighter. It definitely illuminates the cabin. Unfortunately, this isn't really a good look. I wish I was in a darker spot, but I think you can kind of get the basic idea. So yeah, that's a little better. But yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me below or stay tuned for more videos.